30 cents off a new there. Oh my god, Shopify is wow. Oh my god.
NQ is dying.
Yeah, did yeah, that's bad. Look at Tesla, $7 candle right there.
Jeez.
Shopify down 10 on that one. Amazon coming down pretty quickly here. Oh, all these alerts going off at the same time.
I didn't have much lined up for the downside, if I'm honest.
Yeah, I haven't really focused on the downside just because the market is a little choppy. But Roku's coming back up here. Or at least it's trying. What else is going on? Docu still pulling back. Yeah, Roku usually is not. It's really not moving with the market. That's a usual thing here. Fixes at 20, up about. It's actually flat. Spread's getting better on Roku. What's that? Shopify alert again. The 380s are the one with liquidity here on Roku. Mason.
Is there any type of... There's probably a wall there. There's a few different
Alright,
walls on the way up.
Order partially filled.
Sorry, I didn't mean to
Order
talk.
filled.
These contracts just did backflips. Already up nicely. There it goes. It could get rejected here. Like I said, Roku has some resistance on the algo. I do want to see this take off like it usually does, but there's always that risk with Roku. 52,000 on that candle. It's looking to make a new high. There it goes. New high. 372. Already up 7%. 373. I finally caught the Roku big play there. Finally. Up 10%. That was a nice one. Beautiful play on Roku. Finally caught the big play on Roku. NQ is still pulling back. It's not like NQ is strong or anything. You see that, Mason?
Yeah, NQ's getting a shot in the head. I kind of like it.
What do you like? Amazon is pulling back. That's the only thing I see that I could play there.
Yeah, I need a setup though. I don't want to catch any of this falling stuff right
Look,
now.
NQ is getting smacked right now.
The second we get in, it's just gonna bounce, so I'm waiting for a real setup.
I do want to see if we can get some downside play maybe on Amazon if it gets aggressive, but they do have Amazon Prime this week, so I was looking to actually, I don't know. Oh, AMC is coming again? That's what someone in the chat is saying. Shopify is trying to hold up, but it's pulled back significantly since the morning here. Nvidia, I knew it was going to die. I didn't even bother writing a trade ID on it this morning. It was so weak. I actually got to take a look at that. Yeah, it's done. I was going to play the 730 break, excuse me, on Nvidia, but I ended up just skipping that whole trade idea and saying I'll just wait for something looking better. Yeah, BA is something I was looking at to the downside if the market was weak today. For sure.
You play the 380s that you were talking about on Roku, or did you do 370s?
Nah, I played the 370s. I just noticed that the 380s had the most volume. Look at Amazon, Mason. You caught that?
No, I wish. This is a chaser's market here, dude. Goodness.
Market's getting demolished right now. Could have easily caught Amazon. I just wasn't focused on it at the time. Next time.
Order filled.
NQ's finally bouncing here. What else do we have going on? Amazon had a rough morning already. Start off the week. You looking at anything to the downside? Or you're just going to look at the continuation for Amazon?
Yeah, Amazon doesn't look bad if it
Yeah,
came
that's the
back.
only really thing that I could set up here.
Yo, did you see the 1 hour on Amazon?
Yeah, the trend, right? The uptrend?
Yeah, looks
Yeah,
super
that's what I
clean.
was looking at if I was going to buy it.
Same.
That's funny you say that. Roku's trying to come back. I'm going to set an alert so I don't end up missing this Amazon trade. It looks like it's coming back down. I won't rush it though. NQ is either going to, well, it's probably going to bear flag here, but if it doesn't, then you might get a reversal here. Hopefully it does bear flag. Wow, Shopify hit the U-turn very quickly. All right,
NQ could
EQ,
be.
NQ. Bear flagging. Let's see if SPY's bear flagging. Yeah, SPY's is bear flagging a little bit. More of a consolidation. It's not really a bear flag anymore.
Be a dead cat bounce on NQ here for a continuation. We'll see.
You said what? Say that again.
A dead cat, just like an H,
Oh yeah, yeah.
basically.
Amazon low of the day. Yeah, Mason will commentate on that. It doesn't look bad. If Mason plays it, he'll let you know.
Mm. I'll probably play the Amazon low of day if NQ can push past and hold 960 to the downside.
Amazon just bounced mostly everything. I mean, NQ is trying to bounce. SPY's consolidating still. So SPY can really take the market higher here if they break this consolidation to the upside. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, SPY just broke consolidation to the upside. So as you guys can see, the market's pushing a little higher here. That's good to see. NQ just ripped. So yeah, SPY just helped the market push higher. There we go. There goes Roku as well. NQ pulling back on that candle. To be honest, Roku looks pretty well. It was holding up while everything was getting hurt. Yeah, I'm watching that too, Conrad. Amazon's pretty much recovering. It opened at around 34.80ish. So it's trying to get back to where it was. We'll see how that goes.
Tesla didn't recover at all in that
Yeah,
tiny little
Tesla
recovery.
said Tesla doesn't even know what's going on right now.
It's got no pulse right now.
That's actually hilarious. That wick right there is helping Tesla a little bit. Not really. That's crazy, actually. That's Amazon showing some weakness here. If someone would trade that knowing that Tesla's weak, they would just enter this. The low from Friday is like 610.73, so it's not far from like a specific point here. Shopify's gone. Down 14, but it's down like $45 from that high.
Jeez. Who is that? Oh, it's Cashy. I was like, what is that?
You good with the mic, Mason?
Oh, it's Cashy. I got him.
Oh, it wasn't you?
No.
That's funny. You can see Roku going for it again here. What did people get filled after the sell order is what I want to know. The contracts are currently at 12.50 on the ask. 13.20. No, that's not the 370 call. If you guys are 12.52, okay. Someone said Facebook. I took that off the watch list as well. Yeah, I'm not interested in that. I'd rather stick to the easier plays for this week at least. It's usually a rough week for June, or the summer at least.
Believe. Let's see. I gotta find a stream, but I believe what's his face is speaking right now.
What are we talking about, Mason?
I think Kaplan, someone from the Fed, is speaking right now. That's what Twitter is saying.
Roku's about to jump over 370 again, which is interesting. Where will be the second entry for you on Roku? I haven't decided yet. I'm still looking at times and sales. I just want to see where these orders are coming in from. You got some decent sized orders here on times and sales, Mason. You seeing this?
For Roku?
Yeah. Pretty interesting. These contracts are back to $13, which I believe was the high of the wick of 373. So this is where the profit is actually. You guys seeing this? So technically, if I held, right, like, actually, yeah, 13, these are $13, right? about to break 370 here. It's just
Next decent sized wall is at 73. Just a heads up.
Yeah, I
I
see it.
played the 380s and they were $8. Like right here, so they're up like $1.30.
Yeah, this is where it was up $8.
Yeah.
So these contracts are holding up well for Roku here. They broke.
Order partially filled. Order partially filled. Order partially filled. Order filled. Order partially filled.
Look at the contracts. These are $13.80 a piece. This is the Roku play. But what I'm saying is 13.29. What I'm saying is yeah, these contracts are holding up super well for Roku. IV's at 81% too, so it's not like it has super low IV. Oh my god, it's still going, Mason.
I kind of like it.
You said there's a wall at 370. Yeah, there is actually, right.
And then I don't know if it's still there because it keeps fluctuating, but 73.50 as well.
Yeah, I see. So I think the wall is sitting at 73 and 73.50.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Yo, it's out of here.
Order partially filled. Order partially filled.
I scalped
Order
that a
filled.
little bit. Look, it's fucking gone. Sheesh. I scalped that. I don't know. I liked it. I played it. I played the 373 break. All right, I recorded both those plays on. That'll be another YouTube video.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try it out. It's a little risky. I'm selling on the break here. I don't really care what it does. 1500. There's no wall no more. I'm gonna have a sell order as soon as this breaks. Yeah.
Order filled.
Oh my god, it broke. I'm out of there. 5,000 on that one. And I started recording perfectly in time. Got 39.40 on the fill. Oh my god, I'm nasty.
Wait, what was your buy on that?
No. I got 39.40 on the sell.
On the sell. I thought I was like, dang, bro.
My buy was 35.53.
Mine was 37.97 on that.
It's not my fault.
Five
you
were
suck.
nasty, man.
It's not my fault.
I got-
you suck.
I got 38.17, bro.
That's my second fill, bro. I was in early. I was talking to
Oh, you-
Mason about it.
You got in at 14.